Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to fix this problem here. Fatal could not read from the boot medium system halted. It's very simple. You start your machine and you get this mistake here, this error. So let's go. What we need to do is add a boot medium. You come here at storage, select a new image. I'm gonna select this one here and start the machine. After that, the machine should start normally. Okay, so let's just wait for it to start. And as you can see, it started. Okay, so I hope this video could help you. If it helped you, please subscribe. Okay, it helped me a lot. If I help you, so help me. I hope you enjoyed. See you next video.